Hi everyone. Please think about a question and let me try and answer that for you. This is a random read for everyone. Think about something that you really want to know about. Okay, let's see what comes out. Okay, why are you holding back so much? What is it that makes you feel that you are not worth it? This is related to your personal life as well as your professional life. You have so much potential, but you are being held back because of your lack of confidence. You are somebody who has, you know, gone through so much in your life, but you've always stood apart in the world. Like if you are in a crowd, you always stand out. Okay, don't forget that quality of yours and stop reminiscing about what has happened in past. Think about future because you have a beautiful future coming when it comes to relationships. Look at this. Stop doubting your worth, guys. And when I say stop doubting your worth, doesn't mean that you start, over analyzing situations and start becoming overconfident. You need to be yourself. That is what I can say. Whatever question you have in your mind, the answer is be yourself, believe in yourself, be in your powers, be confident. Okay, because when it comes to money and finances also, you already have so much opportunities. You are just not looking at it. You are just looking at what is on other people's plate. Stop doing that. Focus on yourself, because right now whatever you're thinking about is there in your life. It is existing, but you are not able to see it. Okay, so if you think that there is something that you lack in your life, please look around. Right. Wow. Okay. So if you're waiting for some opportunity, if you're waiting to begin something, if you're waiting to start something new when it comes to your work career, it will happen. The answer is yes. If you are planning a business, please go ahead with it. Do not waste time anymore. Make a move quickly now. Okay. If possible, if I can give you the timeline, in the month of February, if you want to start something new, that's the best time you can do it. Always follow your intuition. Do not listen to anybody. Okay, if you feel that you need assurance, please do take guidance just for assurance. Otherwise you will have to listen to your intuition, because I see when you're asking this question also, you already know the answer. You're just seeking the assurance, right? So yes, believe in yourself is what I can say. Whatever you're looking for is around you. So your question maybe is about something, whether you will get it or not. It is there in your life, it is present. Just feel the existence of that thing. Follow your intuition and start something that you really wanted to since a long time.